Hi traders, so welcome to the daily analysis from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Today we start our analysis with economic calendar, and as you can see we are expecting the biggest and very important news release of the month, non-farm payrolls. Before that we are expecting for GBP pairs Halifax house price index. Normally it's medium impact news, but it does create some volatility, and most of the time it's positive for GBP pairs, so be careful if you have any open trades. After that, the whole scenario is around non-farm payrolls, and then for Canadian news, very important for all the pairs, even for gold and oil. And, as expected, the forecast is weaker, but overall, if on the technical basis, I would share with you that before NFP, if the whole week pairs are moving in some direction, normally it's against that. Even we can expect weaker data, but even then the US dollar can spike up, go higher, and then drop from there, or the forecast can be positive and all the other pairs can go down. So anything is possible, just be prepared. If you are trading NFP, be very careful. Trade with a smaller lot size. Do put stop losses, though you can also expect like slippage. Your orders won't be close at the same price levels, but you need to be much careful. Overall, I'm bullish on US dollar index because I think it can be positive, and though I will be also putting pending orders like sell stops too, but I expect that we can have some positive reports. On the other hand, Canadian news is also due, and it's also expected that it's positive for the Canadian pairs and Canadian economy. The interesting thing will be like normally when USD is stronger, then USDCAD goes up with that. On the other hand, if Canadian data is also positive and US data also positive, then it will be interesting to see. I will try to avoid USD-CAD trade today. So good luck, guys. Let's move to the DXY US dollar. So we are here on the US dollar currency index. Technically speaking, it's supposed to drop at least to 93.83. But because of NFP, we can expect anything. If it turns to be a positive report, then we can see again 95.50 or above. On the other hand, if it's negative, then definitely it's coming to 93.20. And after that, even the next week, it can come to 92.77. We see the hourly and 4-hour time frame, and if you can notice that now overall it's bearish, and going further down on the 4-hour too is looking quite weak, but at the moment it just bounced back from this support level and it looks quite good. We'll see in the coming hours how it goes. Euro USD looks quite good on the daily time frame. Here you can see when it bounced back from 1.1527 till then it's just going up. Even yesterday it tried to go higher, but then before the day closed the price got rejected. From this morning it's doing quite well. Today my targets are after the NFP, it can even go to 1.1507 or below. On the other hand, if it's negative, then it's going to 1.1857. We confirm this on the 1-hour and 4-hour time frame. Here it is. You can see it did well on the hourly time frame. At the moment, just going down, but can change the direction anytime. When we see Euro USD at 4 hours time frame, even then it looks good. It did try to break the previous high, and right now it's just doing a correction, and before NFP it's supposed to go up at least to 1.1760 and above. Let's move to GBPUSD, and GBPUSD is looking good at the moment. Though this yesterday's bearish doji looks and indicates like it's going down. Only scenario today is NFPs. Every time I'm just repeating this word, but it really affects the market. So before the news release, it's supposed to go a little higher, and then I think if it turns to be a positive NFP, then we might see 1.3046 and below. On the other hand, it can go to 1.3370 and above. Let's see how it looks on the 1 hour time frame, and at the moment it looks good. It bounced back from 100 moving average. Right now it's just doing some price correction, but it looks like it will continue till NFP. On the 4 hour too, it looks good. Here it is, and it looks quite good to me. And though today I won't trade before NFP, after that I will think about it. We move to USDCAD, and USDCAD also looking very weak. We are expecting USD Canadian data too, so that can put a big effect, and NFP too. It's interesting because if at both reports these are positive, then it will be interesting to see how USD CAD behaves. 50-50 chance for USD CAD. If it's very good data for Canadian economy, then it can drop to 1.300. On the other hand, it can just bounce back and reach to again 1.3389. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks weaker. Here you can see every time it goes up to 50 moving average, the price gets rejected. And right now it's on the support level actually, but let's see it on the 4 hour it looks weaker, but it's holding this price level for the last few days, and it's not good to trade right now, even the buy trade or the sell trade. But after I think 1.311, it's good to short USD CAD, but for today I will stay away from USD CAD pair. Our last pair is gold. After the news, I'm expecting gold to be on 1237 and below. If it turns to be negative, then it's heading to 1272 and above. On the 4 hour, gold still looks bearish to me. I think it's bearish, it's going down. So even if the NFP has any impact, but it's normally like for a few hours or for a few days, in the long run gold is supposed to go down all the way. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please share and comment. We are waiting for your response. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.